I don't know.
Look
Sure.
at the top, see if the numbers are moving. At the top. See if the numbers are moving.
Yeah, I think so.
Then it's recording. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was cheap. How come you didn't go down 2 feet? How come your arms are so much longer than your legs? Can't help you, dear. $65 and you're still playing fucking game. 65 and you can't get up. That's cheating. Hey, go away. Go away. Get out of the way. Everybody looking at your butt. Or it was only me looking at it. I'm trying to get you an angel that you made.
Okay.
There. My wife's an angel maker. How do I stop it?